My name is Micah LaPointe. I am a PhD candidate in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, and my research is with the Pulse Power and Power Electronics Laboratory. Ever since I was little, I knew I wanted to get a PhD. My parents said I would dress up in, white coats and walk around the lab, my bedroom. I fell into the Pulse Power Lab here at Texas Tech, and we have the premier facilities as far as a university in the world. You can find Texas Tech Pulse Power Laboratory graduates at any of the national laboratories, at private companies, Lockheed Martin, L3 Harris, Raytheon, anywhere that does defense contracting, we have graduate students. As graduate students, we don't usually get a choice in the research that we pursue. However, because I received a fellowship, I had the opportunity to do research kind of unbounded. At the start of the Russia-Ukraine war, I noticed that there was a lot of drone usage being utilized, and I wanted to look at, novel technologies, to help against that threat. And so traditionally you use ballistic weapons. However, this can be pretty destructive and a lot of times not fast enough for Mach speeds. So microwave technology is utilized today for drone deterrence, but they're heavy vacuum-based systems that aren't field deployable. You can't put them on a backpack, you can't put them on your own drone. So I wanted to look into using what are called solid-state devices. So they can create microwaves without the need for these heavy magnets and vacuum-based systems. So the idea was to create a microwave source that you could put on a backpack and strap it to a soldier. You could put it on a drone and fly it up into the airspace because it's lightweight and compact enough. Basically, we're taking something like your microwave oven and we're jacking up the power and we're shooting that at a drone to crash it to the ground. Having a PhD means that I get to be considered an expert in my field. It means that I'll be able to go places that people aren't usually able to go, and I'll get to research things that people don't normally get to be a part of. And having a degree from Texas Tech, I like to put it this way, is it's the first thing that people will see on my resume, and it's the last thing people will see on my bumper sticker.